Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bitrate on Gmail app. To know how to fix or how to solve bitrate on Gmail, you will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Gmail app and you can click. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store and you can search about Gmail here. Then you can update your app if you will find update in this plus sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.